Good evening to you, Munich. This is Team IISc from Bangalore. I am Shravan.
I am Jayesh Prakash.
And I am Darren.
We are representing Team Robotics Innovations Lab under the guidance of Dr. ICRA. We are extremely grateful to MRMI to have been given this opportunity to participate in an event of this caliber, and we are very delighted with the entire exercise that spanned a month of very arduous work.
So I will introduce the hardwares and softwares that our team has been using. We are using the Universal Robot UR5R. On top of this, RealSense D435i is mounted for the vision, and it has the point cloud that is used to detect the depth of the objects. And then for the gripper, we are using AG95 gripper by DH. And for the software side, we are using the MoveIt packages on top of ROS Noetic on Ubuntu 20.04. And then we are using the PyRealSense library in Python that will do all the image processing for this.
For the vision side of things, we used the YOLO V7 pre-trained model and transfer learned it to our task with our very own data set of about 250 images, annotated and augmented on Robothon. As you can see, these are the detections that we performed. This, as correctly identified, is the probe. This is the doorknob. This is the door. This is the marker that we have. This is the probe end, meaning the last position that the probe should go through. This is the probe start. This is the photo end unit. This is the task start and the task end. This is the microcontroller and the slider. And this is the project board that's been localized by our algorithm.
As far as task completion is concerned, we were successful at completing 4 tasks. The first one was pressing the blue button, which marked the beginning of the challenge. Secondly, we completed the slider task, wherein the slider was matched with the arrow positions. The third task marked the insertion of probe from one to the other section. The fourth task was wherein the slider and the door was opened. The fifth task marked the tangling or the stowing of the probe, which was not completed successfully. And the last task was the pressing of the red button, which was done successfully.